Alrighty folks, here's the situation again. We got another pile of junk here to get rid of. Canadian Redneck, a little beer, some accelerants, and some fireworks. That's how we're gonna light it. Let's get this sucker doused up. Alright. Sorry folks, forgot with the commentary. I had somebody looking at me funny there. Don't worry, I do have permission to be here. Give me 1 sec and we'll get this sucker lit. Thank God for editing. See? Canadian rocket with report. We're going to start this Canadian style. Don't worry Dave, if I can get my brother's torch set, I'll be coming up with something better than this. I know about industrial gas. Let's do her. Whoa! First shot! How you like that? I love it. I fucking love it. Yeah, good. Uh-oh, there goes the black smoke again. Burn hot. How do you all like that? I'll let that burn for a few minutes. No commentary. Just do a little taping like that. I may use this just as the background on TV when I'm doing my show. Shit, that looks hot. Any of you firebugs out there, you're gonna like this one. See? Just takes a redneck to make a good fire. Woo, that's getting warm over here. Oh yeah, black smoke's rolling now. A little destruction.